Today we are going to be making a rug out of Barbie's glamorous world and Oppenheimer's explosive genius. And to top it all off, I'm going to be giving this rug to my girlfriend for her birthday to see if there really is a feud between men and women in these two blockbuster movies. This all began with the mysterious text from the Rug King himself. Sorry, the Rug King is just my friend who makes rugs out of his house. But trust me, this ain't your grandma's rug making tutorial. In order to start this whole rug making thing, we had to come up with a design.
That's like two color contradiction. I mean, those oranges will be like the bright orange and that'll be like the bright pink, but I do flame it.
Once these colors are more like saturated.
Let me see. So there's that. Wow. Don't put that in there. Don't put my messy ass.
We could just make all of Barbenheimer pink too. Dude, that kind of looks dope.
You want to leave it at that and just call it a day?
I think so, bro. Now it's time to go to the store. Let's make a rug.
Step 1, make the canvas. Step 2, project and trace the design.
Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the Scream House.
I use this thing. Holy crap, this thing's scary. That thing looks like a ray gun from Call of Duty. Pablo Escobar. With that being said, subscribe to join the cartel.
And now.
What?
So,
Bro.
you're gonna push this needle piece into this and keep it pressed firm against the fabric.
Like that? Is that too much?
All the way through. You're gonna press it all the way through. Keep going. There you go. See how it's like pushed in?
Yeah.
And so once you hit the trigger, it's gonna go straight up. You wanna go straight up. So don't hit the trigger, you're gonna chop my finger off. But you wanna keep the pressure inside or else it's not gonna go in all the way.
Shoot. And then
Just pull out.
I used to that.
I used to pull it out. You nicked it a little bit. If it's not pushed in all the way, you're gonna create a hole.
Oh shoot.
So it's like,
is there gonna be a hole there now?
no.
Hey, I'm getting better. It just took 5 minutes, you know? No, tell him what you did.
So,
Look how sick he's looking, first of all.
it's looking real nice.
It's
We thought
dope.
we were like halfway done.
Something he forgot to mention.
We have to flip the image before we put it up there.
Because it's gonna come out backwards.
So now we gotta restart.
I hate rugs. This is a bit of an intermission. He's gonna go and get as much done as possible because we had to completely restart. I had a meeting I have to go to. We'll see how far he gets by the time that I get back. Like, it took so long for us to get to that point already, I feel like. And I didn't realize that you could mess up so easily like that. Oh, we'll see how far he gets.
Yeah.
What did you complete?
What did I complete? I low-key got to where we left off.
Oh, really?
Just about.
You're lying, bro.
Nah.
All right, time to finish this for real now. It's actually ready. We got the last piece of cake. And he used almost every single piece of yarn in that whole entire thing.
Yep.
It's perfect. Whoa. Does it look like I'm hit? Oh, that's gonna be so dope. I can already tell. We already finished the orange, now it's up to what?
To yellow. Put it in backwards.
Sometimes you do that.
Wrong hole.
Sometimes you do that. All right, so we just finished up the yellow. It's basically done. Now we gotta just do the last color we have is the red on the flames, and then we're gonna finish off with the white outline. That's when everything should start actually showing through. Talking about red, bro. That ate me. Oh my gosh, it looks like I was attacked by a fucking cougar or some shit. Is there any cougars out there? Attack me, please. Damn, bro, you almost done.
Red is finished. We got white up next, just like them white ass legs.
Dude, what the fuck? How many more steps do we have after this?
About 3 or 4.
Oh my. You're sneaking from the back? It's almost done. Are you gonna finish it? Right now? Yeah.
Behind the scenes, we got the carpet maker. Yeah, he's making the copyright claim, the carpet right there. And right there we have Mr. YouTube himself. There you see, small body.
She does look cool.
Do you have any comments about making the carpets better?
Well, so like, this is my first time.
That's all for our program tonight, thank you.
All right, so it's officially like a week later. We kind of got busy and happened, school started.
It's finished.
What's the back look like?
Fucked. I'm pimping, pimping, pimping.
Man, what the f is that?
Glue.
Damn, you spread that shit. Spread it.
Finished for today. The glue's gotta dry.
Glue's gotta dry, so we'll be back tomorrow.
We'll be back in 12 hours.
What do we have left?
Cutting it out, backing and shaving. I like cut it and then fold it to where like, so you make it to where it's like this folds over.
All right, the hot gluing of the back to the back
To the back, to the back.
is done. What's next? How many more steps?
Adding the back.
Adding, so we hot glue the back to the back, then we're gonna add the back, and then we can go back to the next step.
Front.
Front, we go back to the front. Hey, let's finish that.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls.
All right, so we're done with this big ass.
Yeah, we're done with that big part. Spray that part,
All right.
and then spray this part, but like.
Are these fumes very toxic?
Yeah. So Bridget,
You know what? I'm actually finished. The video's over.
Out in that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. The poop so cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling, yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt.
got two options. The big box or the little box.
Or your OF?
Which one do you want?
Well, the big one, obviously. The hell? Yo, they're thinking of a killer. Look at that thing.
Let's put the bottom. There you go, that's all you.
It's on me, so what do I do?
So you hit this on button, right? Hey, don't put a hole in it.
What the hell?
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like
This looks like a barber shaver.
Yeah, let me trim you up too after this.
I'll do it.
Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't belling out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. The poop so cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling, yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt.
Carpet King! Damn. Okay, ready?
No.
Close your eyes, close your eyes. Keep them closed, tight.
I want to see.
No, keep them closed. Keep them closed, don't I see you peeking.
No, I'm not. I'm just Asian.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, it's so cute.
You like it?
I do. I like it a lot. Is it Barbie Oppenheimer?
Yeah.
Is it an atomic bomb?
Yeah.
I like it. It turned out way better than I thought it would.
Yeah, I know, I'm a brug master.
It's cute.
I didn't think you were gonna like it. I thought you were like, this is messed up.
Why would I think that's messed up?
Because of like mixing Barbie with the bomb and Oppenheimer.
Are you blowing her up?
I mean, I guess not. It's like a mix.
No, she's the bomb. You made it such good quality. It's like perfect.
Isn't it? The guy was really good.
Did you like shave it down too?
Yeah.
Well,
It looks so cool.
it smells like fresh rubber. Everything.
Barbenheimer.
I love it.